All right, hello, and welcome to English 112. This is our summer session. I wanted to send out a quick video just so I can make sure that everyone kind of understood, uh, what the semester or, these couple of weeks will look like, so that you don't get lost kind of in everything. First and foremost, I want to say, obviously, welcome, right? But I also want you to understand that this course is very intensive, okay? If you've taken this course before in our 16-week period, you understand that there is a lot of work. Unfortunately, that work doesn't go away. So even though we just have about 6 weeks here in the summer session, we still have to cram all of it. So it's going to be very, very intensive. You're going to have a lot of work due each week. You have to make sure that you figure out a way to, monitor your time. Don't procrastinate. Make sure that you are getting your work in a timely manner. Okay. And that's honestly the nicest way that I can say that, so that you understand that it's super, super, super important that you, first of all, look at everything and make sure that you have everything in on time. Okay. All of the weeks will be loaded in, hopefully no later than Wednesday is the goal, to get all the information, all the assignments, everything. I'm also going to upload the course schedule so you'll be able to kind of see everything that's going to be due for the next 6 weeks. For this week, obviously, there are a couple things that you must do. And so we're going to talk about that in just a second. One of the first things that you should most certainly do, and this video that I'm doing now will be listed up here, um, where kind of the start information is. So you'll be able to see this video if you need to at any point within the semester. Again, the first thing that you'll want to do is refer to the syllabus. So please make sure you read over the syllabus so that you understand the information. It talks about my office hours, which there are none. Everything pretty much during summer is by appointment only. So if you absolutely positively have a question that you need answered, please send me an email. And if it's a question that requires that we do a Zoom, if it's something that you need me to help you understand or something like that, that can't be done, via email, then we will schedule a Zoom call. Okay. But again, obviously, I'm going to do my very best to answer whatever your question is, by email first. So if you have a question, please be sure to send your question. And if I feel like it's something that, is going to require a deeper conversation or something like that, then I'll let you know. There will be announcements posted for the semester. I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff. Normally, what I like to do is I post both an announcement and I kind of send it 3 ways. So hopefully, I do this so that I can make sure that you get it. I hope that this doesn't agitate you guys, but it's really so that I can make sure that you get the information. It's going to come one of 3 ways. So it's going to come by announcement. So it'll be in the announcements area. You'll also get an email and you'll also get a Moodle message. Now try again to make sure that I send messages this way so that you get the messages so that, some way it's going to come to you so that okay, this is what I got to do, right? I'm going to do my very best to try to make sure that you get a midweek reminder message about work that's due. So obviously, every week will start on Monday. Your work will be due on Sunday. Unless it's a discussion board. Of course, most discussion boards, your initial post is due on Thursday night. You have to have it in on time Thursday night, okay? And then your replies to other students are due by Sunday, okay? So please keep that in mind. Also, another thing, again, so you'll get the messages the 3 ways. You'll get a midweek message. Normally, I like to post the message around Thursday or Friday. It just depends, on kind of how things are going. But it'll be a reminder just so that you don't forget, hey, this is the work that you have due this week. Make sure you get it done, okay? The other thing that I want to make sure, and let me kind of scroll down a little bit. All right, so this is kind of how your weeks will look. So it'll say welcome to, and whatever week it is. So welcome to week 1. Talks about some of the information. One quick note that I want to make sure, and I'm going to obviously let you guys read the other information yourselves because I know you guys are capable. But we will talk a little bit about, other information. One note that I want to make sure is very, very clear. Okay. If you have taken this course already, okay? Especially if you've taken it with me, because I know I have a lot of repeat students. Please know that any work that you submitted in a previous semester, you cannot submit this semester, okay? And I'm saying this recorded as well as it's in Moodle so that everyone understands that it's there. And so that you also understand that this is a rule. We highly, highly, highly condemn self-plagiarism. And yes, it's your work. And yes, you did do the work. However, um, each semester is about learning new things, learning the information, possibly in a different way, right? So with that said, your work is going to be different. It's going to reflect, a different frame of mind. So I want you all to understand that if you submit something that you've already submitted, if you've submitted it to me, if you've submitted it to another professor, and I see it when I have you turn it in, once I check for plagiarism, even if it's your work, it is a 0. So please, 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 and this is why I'm saying this on this video, as well as you'll see it multiple times throughout the semester. And you'll also see it on the plagiarism quiz. It'll talk about it. Please make sure that you do not submit work that you've already submitted. Okay. So if, obviously there are 3 projects within this course that you'll be doing. Your first project is going to be your annotated bibliography. Your second project is your rhetorical analysis. And your third project is your proposal paper. Okay. With that said, please note that if you've already submitted those 3 things, and some of you may already have submitted those things, you cannot submit the same assignment twice. Okay. This is a new semester, and you must submit a new piece of work. Okay. If you have questions about that, and I know I don't want to spend too much time on that, but if you have questions about that, please let me know, okay? Because I want to make sure that everybody understands that, right? This course, because it's so intensive, there will be no late assignments taken. Everything must be submitted by Sunday night by 11:59. There are no exceptions. You have a whole week to work on assignments. Like I said, you will be able to see the rest of the weeks, the remaining weeks, by Wednesday. You can work ahead, okay? You will not be able to submit any work late. So please make sure that you make accommodations to get your work in by Sunday night by 11:59, okay? I've already, obviously we've had issues throughout the semester where students were unable to get things submitted in on time. You have a week. So please keep that in mind. Please govern yourself accordingly. Make sure that you are managing your time appropriately so that you can get your stuff in, because there's not going to be any exceptions. You will see a 0 pop up in your grade on Monday morning when I do grading. Okay. As for this week, you're going to have quite a few things to do. You are watching this video, obviously. I need you to make sure you read the syllabus. You're going to participate in the introduction forum, which is just you kind of telling us who you are, where you're from, all that information. Give us a little bit of it about yourself. So you'll click on that form and do that. You're also going to complete the research portfolio number 1. You're going to have the pretest and the plagiarism quiz. Both of these things are going to be due by Sunday, and they will be posted by tomorrow. Okay, so I'll have both of those things uploaded, and maybe sometime this afternoon. So you can continue to check Moodle and see. But no later than tomorrow will you see both of those quizzes. I've just got to copy it over, and I've been having some technical issues, and so I just said let me make sure I've got everything else for you guys in. But you will again see that by tomorrow. Okay. Please make sure, again, just make sure that you have all your work done for this week. And pretty much, each week you'll see all the stuff down here. I'm going to make sure that you see the dates that your work is due. Also, before I forget, the discussion board for this week is a choosing a topic discussion board form. Okay. Your initial post is due by Thursday. You will see another folder that will be in here. I've got to upload some more things for you guys. You're going to see a folder in here that's going to kind of explain the research process and kind of what you need to do to get ready for this particular assignment. Again, need you to understand, if you've taken this class before, you can't use the same information. Now, when I say that, you can use a similar topic, obviously. So I'm not going to take that ability away from you. if you have, different sources and all those things, I'm not going to say that you can't use the same topic that you used in a previous semester. However, what I want you to think about is, was that topic hard for you to, pretty much discover the information that you needed? It could have been something that was difficult. So you may want to use some of these other links that I'm going to post. And I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff. I'm going to post procon.org. I'll be posting NC Live and a lot of other sources and things to help you be able to research some sources, try to get yourself together and ready for the discussion board on Thursday. Okay, so keep that in mind. Make sure that you understand, that you're going to need to, this class is going to be a lot of work. Okay, so don't feel like, you're going to, it's not going to be a breeze in the park. I'm going to go ahead and be honest with you. It's a lot because it's a research course, but you can do it. You can absolutely get it done. Okay, so don't feel like you can't. I'm going to be here rooting for you every step of the way. Okay, I've got your back. I want to make sure that you have the best experience in this course. We have 6 weeks, y'all. 6 weeks. So I want to make sure that, we're able to get everything in. And like I said, you'll be able to see the course schedule along with the rest of the weeks no later than Wednesday. Everything will be posted in there. And I encourage you to work ahead. Okay. Now, obviously, you may not be able to work ahead for the discussion board stuff, but the other things that you can get done, please, 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 use your time wisely, and go ahead and try to get what you can done, knock stuff out. I know that you guys can do this. Okay. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. I'm going to be posting more videos, so you'll hopefully see a video. My goal is to have a video every week that's going to be hopefully a guide. So it'll be, kind of above that week. So that way you guys will kind of know what you need to do, right? So the goal is to get that video posted every week, so that way you'll have a guide. Okay, I am going to definitely be your guide this semester. Again, we only have 6 weeks. I know I keep saying that, right? But it's because it's such a limited amount of time. And I want to make sure that you guys understand that we have so much to do. We've got work to do. So let's get ready. Let's buckle down. Let's get this done. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, continue on and get started with your work this week. Have a great day.